स्काइला उठ्यो उठ्यो आज कहाँ हुन्छ के हेर्नु आज NPL को फाइनल हो को छ सुदूरपश्चिम र जनकपुर वर्ल्ड्स तिमी कसको सपोर्टर सुदूरपश्चिम अलि हेर्नु पर्छ है त ल ओके ओहो कति जान लागेको यस्तो हो र ग्राउन्ड हो कसले जित्छ त आज सुदूरपश्चिम जित्छ ओके हेरौँ है त के हुन्छ ल अलराइट लेट्स गो म्यान ल क्रिकेट हेर्नलाई स्काइलर हिँड्दै आइरहेछ सर सुदूरपश्चिम वाह ब्याक छ आज स्केरी म्यान जाम रहेछ है म्यान होइन पी गर्ने पी गर्न मन लाग्छ यहाँ गर्दा भइहाल्छ नि ए अलि दिइहाल्छु नि तिमीलाई अङ्कलले कसको तपाईँको बनाउने भएन कहाँ गयो हेरेको यस्तो भिड भएको छ बन्दै उसकाले यसो हिँडिरहेछ चन्द्र सूर्य सान हाम्रो यो सानो भाइ ब्ल्याकमा बेच्छ यसले टिकट छ योसँग छ है भाइ ब्ल्याकमा बेच्छ यसले ब्ल्याकमा बेच्छ है यसले भन्दै त नदिएको मात्रै हो माथि सुदूरपश्चिम ल सुदूरपश्चिम गएको फ्यान पनि आइपुग्यो है सुदूरपश्चिम हैन जनकपुर बोल्स सुदूरपश्चिम और जनकपुर सुदूरपश्चिम
Captain of the Janakpur Bulls, Asil Sheikh, and to adjudicate the flip of the coin, match referee Mr. Manu Nair. Home side Sudurpschim Royals, Dipendra for the one last time in NPL Season 1. Give that a flip.
Heads is the call.
Heads is the call by Bulls. Sudurpschim Royals, Dipendra Singh Irie, you win the toss. What have you decided and why?
Batting first, र पिच हेर्दाखेरि अलि राम्रो छ सो त्यही भएर ब्याटिङ फर्स्ट लेख्नु
I didn't hear that because of the loud cheer. You're batting first, I hear.
Yeah.
Right.
त्यस्तो हामीले प्लानिङ चाहिँ गरेको छौँ र त्यही अनुसारले खेलिरहेछौँ one match by एक म्याचमा खेलिरहेछौँ सो त्यही भएर त्यही प्लानिङ छ अब
The big final, Sudurpschim Royals have won the toss and they'll be batting first. You want to get those runs on the board, both sides unchanged. Brandon McMullen has constantly promised that he's going to play that big innings. Is today going to be the day? Dipendra Singh Irie in the mix for the player of the tournament, and Harmeet Singh has been more economical than any of the bowler. That's for the Royals. What about the Bolts, HD?
Yeah, let's not forget that we've got Rashbanji sitting on 16 wickets. He's level with Scott Kugelheim. Someone's going to take away the pick of the bowlers of this tournament. I wouldn't be surprised if it goes to a spinner.
ट्रफी हेर न उ अगाडि
Teams that will be cheered for. Two teams have risen to the top, each driven by an unrelenting desire. And the ultimate showdown, Hamro Jeet, with that incredible piece of silverware as the two teams walk out.
Here we go, it's time for the action to start.
Play is the call, and here we are for the ultimate showdown. Yeah, immediate runs. On the offside. This time goes with a big heave, and he'll go the distance as well in only the third delivery of the innings. The Royals' intentions very clear.
Just a bit too full this time from Harsh Thakur.
This one's right out of the screws and into the side screen as well. What a start by the Royals.
Smashed down the ground, and it's a one bounce for.
Bowled him.
Tiger! 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 Tiger!
19th. I think we're about to see something happen. Yes, we are. It's the big one. The Tiger falls to one of the bowlers of the tournament. Certainly the one who stood out the most with his wrist spin. It's Mohamed Mohsen. They'll probably try to run the second. They've got nothing to lose in doing so. Oh, he's dropped it. They might run a third here because the bails are up. Chaos again. 2 runs to the total and the wicket, the run out at the non-striker's end. That's Hisham Pandey. One of the highest totals of the tournament. I know 184 they'd have taken at the start of the day without doubt.
दादा सामान एउटा दादाले दिन्छ कि भाइलाई क्याप सोध चाहिँ मलाई दिन्न भन त के भन्दो रहेछ बन्दुक मलाई दिन्न भन न के भन्दो रहेछ के थाहा मलाई
Slog swept. Gets a good piece of it, gets it all the way.
Not so quiet. Because it's a wicket. And it's a big one. And it's the captain of the Janakpur Bulls. Zeb strikes in his first over. The move has worked. And this is a...
Oh, Dhanush. जय श्री राम कर रहे
He's got through him. What a delivery. A poor bowling. That'll be 5 wides again. Yeah, this is the winning moment as well for the Janakpur Bulls. They create history. They emerge champions of NPL Season 1 and they've etched their names in the annals of history, forever remembered as the gold standard of achievement. The players run onto the field and the Bulls synergy is a marvel to behold, with each member a vital cog in a well-oiled machine. Contest, and this is the winning moment. Gets a bit of the inside edge on that, but they took off and set off. And then that special second run, and you can see Thakur celebrating. The dugout erupted as well. They ran onto the field and the fans went ballistic. And this is the moment that Mayan Yadav, Harsh Thakur and the Janakpur Bulls will remember for a lifetime. Janakpur Bulls winning by 5 wickets.
One game messages. Today we were top of.
How the party ground? ल यहाँ त के हो खतरा क्लाइम्बिङ गर्दै हुन्छ ब्रदर ल रुखमा सब मान्छेहरू उहाँ बसेर यहाँ यसरी क्रिकेट हेर्दैछन् ऊ माथि पनि रहेछ अनि स्काइलर यहाँ बसेर हेर्दैछ रुखमा चढेको दादाहरूलाई बाँदरहरू जस्तै रे भाइ उही त अगाडि छ किनिदिन्छु Good. Good. Short, man. ओए झन्डै हानेको मलाई ओए क्या हान्छ बाबालाई ओए क्या साह्रो हानेर नि त ओए आउँदैन युट्युबमा त के देखाउँछ हुन्छ र लान्देऊ उता हान न उता यता हान न बल्ल ढोकातिर है सर्ट म्यान चढेर हान्दै ब्यालेन्स चाहिँ हुनु पऱ्यो नि त लड्दा पनि भयो ल छोड्दै How's the training, man? खतरा के गर्छ आज मजा आयो कसले जित्यो आज यार स्काई आज कसले जित्यो जनकपुर बोल्ट्स हो तिनीहरूले NPL जिते नि 2024 को ओके मजा आयो आज मजा आयो ल अब फेरि म्याच भयो फेरि जानुपर्छ ल ग्राउन्डमा ओके ओके बाई बाई बाई